In this video, I'm taking one special integral. Now, to solve this problem, we see something like here, like secant square minus 1. If I can bring here, then I can substitute that on the single term. So that is the motivation of removing this constant from x squared. So we factor out 64. Then you get x squared minus 289 over 64. Now this 64 goes outside the radical sign as 8. So we take the constant out, 17 over 8, integral 1 over x squared, square root of x squared minus 17 over 8 squared, which is exactly 289 over 64. Now we can say that our x here, we will write our x is equals 17 over 8 secant u. And you understand why we are taking this, just to make inside secant squared u minus 1 type. So then I need to find what is my dx. So dx will be 17 over 8 secant u tangent u du. You know that. So this is your dx. Now let us substitute back everything we have in terms of u. So we have 17 over 8 integral dx will be replaced by 17 over 8 secant u tangent u du all over. My x will be now 17 over 8 will be squared, and then I get secant squared u square root of. So when I have like this one now, so x will be replaced by this, so then you get 17 over 8 squared secant squared u minus 17 over 8 squared. So you can understand now that this constant I can factor out. So when I factor out that constant, it will come out as 17 over 8. So that constant, then I can cancel with this constant. So I'm keeping my 17 over 8 here, and this one I can reciprocate, right? 8 over 17 squared. Now look at the simplification. As I said, this term will cancel out when I factor out this. So then I will have 1 in here. So finally what I see, that this is secant squared and secant 1 will cancel out. Tangent I have in the numerator, tangent u du. In the denominator, 1 secant cancelled, so another secant u will stay. And then square root of secant squared minus 1, which is tan squared u. Now you can see tan squared u radical sign is just tan u will cancel out here. So your problem is reduced to now. If you want, you can simplify this. So that will give you 8 in the numerator, 17 in the denominator. Be 1 over secant u. So 1 over secant u is actually cosine u du. Now when you take the integral of cosine, it is just sine. So we get 8 over 17 sine u plus constant. So this is my u. Now we need to figure out what is sine u in terms of x. So what I do, from substitution, you have seen x equals 17 over this secant u. So you can say secant u is 8x over 17, and then I can convert this onto simple form we are comfortable with, so just reciprocal. So 17 over 8x. Now from this it is easy to determine sine u. 17 8x, this one will be, now this is squared, which is 64x squared minus 17 squared, which is 289. So then if this is my angle U, easily we can say my sine U will be now this over this, opposite over hypotenuse, which is square root of 64 x square minus 289 over 8x. So now you can cancel 8 from numerator denominator, write a simplified version of your problem, just 8. So we get now square root of 64 x squared minus 289 over 17x plus integral constant, and we are done. I hope this makes sense to you.